Hi, and welcome to Lippy Presents Ghost News Network. Today is our Theory of the Week, and we're going to be discussing the renovation theory. So what is the renovation theory? Well, it's just what it sounds like. When you are renovating your house, they say that a spirit might get annoyed or not like what you're doing to your home. And so what happens is the spirit might make its presence more known. You're changing something that it's been familiar with for a long time. And when you start to change those things, it can then, kick up the activity of the spirit. They say a lot of times when you do renovations, that's when you start to notice a lot of paranormal activity in your home. And then as renovations finish and the spirit tends to become more accustomed to it, eventually kind of dies down, but then sometimes it's just changed in a way that it's not comfortable with or doesn't like, and so then the spirit just manifests more and starts to make its presence known in a way, I guess to let you know that it doesn't like the renovations you're doing to its home. Renovation theory, it's one of the more common things you'll see happen. A lot of our clients, when they reach out to us, will say, oh, we're starting to have a lot of activity, and the first thing we'll ask is, have you done any recent house remodelings? And some of the times they say yes, and that's what kicks it up. And then after they stop working on their house and everything finishes and things start to settle, the activity tends to settle with it. I guess you're changing the energy of the house. Whenever you're doing when you're doing that kind of stuff, you're changing the energy, and so maybe that interferes with the spirit's energy, and they want to let you know that they like it the way it used to be. So that's the renovation theory. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. You can also hit like, share, and subscribe. And you can also click the little notification bell to know when all of our content is being uploaded to YouTube. So thank you guys very much for joining us on this latest edition of Ghost News Network. And until next time, take care, guys.